Feeling good? You're about to feel even better. My name is Simon and I'm a trader with 9 years of experience. Today I have something truly powerful for you. These are my trading results from last week. I recorded every step I took over the past week just for this 10-minute video, so I can show you my simple strategy and the results it delivers. No guesswork, no myths, just pure analysis and calculations. Now we're going to break down my strategy. It hits the jackpot based on analytics, knowledge and precise calculations. So grab a cup of tea, get comfortable, everything will be simple and clear because you have me. I use a strategy where losses don't exist. The risk is zero because everything is precisely calculated. Even a complete beginner can follow my steps and get rewards without spending years learning. Imagine trading is a high-end restaurant that serves only beneficial trades. I'm the chef who creates the perfect menu of precise market entry. And my Telegram channel is the recipe book where all the greatest trade setups are written out. People join, follow my instructions and see results. Some don't even try to understand trading. They just copy my trades and lock in returns. And here's the greatest part. Access to this exclusive club is still free, but it won't stay that way forever. So right now, click the link in the description or pinned comment and become part of the team. All right, let's not waste time. Let's jump straight into the strategy. I've already set up the platform, so let's start with 5 and see what we can make of it. First, we add our pairs. And the key ingredients for today's session are indicators. We'll be using Super Trend and Bollinger Bands. While I'm setting them up, let me quickly explain. Super Trend shows the market's main direction. Bollinger Bands helps us find the perfect entry points. Everything's ready, let's get started. Today's strategy works for both beginners and experienced traders. Here's the logic. If Super Trend indicates a downtrend and the price is at the upper or middle Bollinger Band, we go down. If Super Trend signals an uptrend and the price is at the lower or middle Bollinger Band, we go up. The key is sticking to the rules. Now let's trade. Let's start with this pair. Super Trend shows a downtrend, the price corrected to the upper Bollinger Band, and we see a bounce. What does this mean? It means we're going down right now. The strategy worked. As you can see, nothing complicated, just follow the algorithm and don't skip any steps. Let's keep moving. The situation here is similar. Super Trend still points down. I see a sideways market and the price is bouncing off the upper Bollinger Band. A perfect moment, we're going down. Just as expected, our result is already 17 and we've barely even started. Let's keep going. Now let's switch to this pair. We've got 17 here. This time the opposite scenario, the price is touching the lower Bollinger Band and Super Trend shows an uptrend. That means we're heading up. Simple and clear. I think you can see for yourself. Friends, remember, it's crucial to act immediately when a good opportunity appears. Therefore, it's important to be careful here. Alright, let's continue. Let's go back to this pair. I'll adjust this value. Looking at the chart, we see sideways movements. Super Trend still signals a sell, so we're going down from the upper Bollinger Band. Stick to the strategy. Now we are at 61. Let's keep going. Trading is like an orchestra. No chaos, no unnecessary moves. I'm the conductor who created a strategy where every subscriber on my Telegram channel is part of a unified system leading to results. Look at this. Just yesterday we made 494,000. That's over 650 per person. But what if I told you I run 2 sessions like this every day? No guesswork, no randomness, just a clear system you can follow alongside me. Want to be more than just a listener? Want to be part of this trading symphony? Then click the link in the description of this video and claim your spot in this powerful movement. Entry is still free for now. Looking at the chart, we see an uptrend, a correction to the lower Bollinger Band, and super trend confirms the upward movements. We don't argue with the market, we go up. Everything's running like clockwork. I'm sure you can see it for yourself. We're halfway through today's session, but I want to push for an even better result. So let's keep going. Back to this pair. Now we are at 117. We see a reversal. Super trend signals a downtrend, and the price bounced off the upper Bollinger Band. So we're going down with confidence. Smooth and precise, no unnecessary moves. Understand this. This is not luck, it's the result of years of learning and practice. Alright, let's keep going. These guys have been quiet for too long, let's check on them. The trend has shifted up, super trend confirms the uptrend, and after a correction the price is at the lower Bollinger Band. Perfect setup, we're going up with confidence. Just look at our result. I hope you have not forgotten where we started. Looking closely at the chart, we see the price bounced up and returned to the lower Bollinger Band. A great opportunity for us to go up again with confidence. This strategy is so solid, it never lets us down. A couple more trades and we'll wrap it up. No need to overwork ourselves. Alright, focus on the chart. The price is dropping, but we see a correction to the upper Bollinger Band. Looks like it's time to go down. Let's go for it. Just as planned, we're going down. Let's lock in our results. We finished with an Australian and a Swiss. Now we are at 1,551. The trend has reversed downwards, super trend flipped, and we're seeing a strong decline. The price corrected to the middle Bollinger Band, and now it's falling again. After this correction, we follow it down. A solid strategy and a solid result. I think the numbers speak for themselves, no further explanation needed. I did all of this right before your eyes. If you want to trade like a true professional, you need to level up your knowledge. That's why every day I share proven indicators, battle-tested strategies, and in-depth analysis of key trading mistakes inside my trading club, completely free. 16,000 traders already receive my trading decisions daily, and together we generate over 600,000 in every trading session. If you want to be one of them, all you need to do is subscribe using the first link in the description or the pinned comment. On that high note, I think it's time to wrap up. Just a reminder, if you want to become part of my club, grow alongside me and trade under the guidance of an experienced trader, then I'm waiting for you in my Telegram group. The link is below in the video description and the pinned comment. Welcome aboard. See you in the next video. That's it for now. Take care.